The internet is often called the digital town square, but it's more like a sandcastle. Every day, thousands of websites, articles, and cultural artifacts vanish forever. For 25 years, the Internet Archive and its Wayback Machine have been our only defense against this collective amnesia. It is the Library of Alexandria of our time. But today, a new force has entered the library: Generative AI. It is the most powerful tool ever built to process information. Yet it might be the very thing that destroys the institution holding that information. Is AI a brilliant librarian that will save human history? Or is it a digital parasite that will leave us with a hollowed-out past and scrolling code? To understand the conflict, we have to look at what AI actually is. Models like GPT-4 or Claude don't know things, they have read things. To build these models, tech giants need data vast, infinite amounts of it. And the Internet Archive is the world's most accessible goldmine. It holds over 800 billion web pages and millions of books. Here's the problem: bot traffic. In the last 2 years, the archive has seen a massive surge in automated scrapers. These AI bots crawl the site 24/7, hitting the servers so hard they sometimes cause site-wide crashes. For a nonprofit running on donations, the cost of defending against AI bots is astronomical. AI companies are essentially using the archive's electricity and bandwidth to build products that they then sell back to us for a profit. While AI is draining the archive's technical resources, it's also fueling a legal firestorm. The archive is currently locked in a brutal legal battle with major publishing houses over controlled digital lending. The publishers call it piracy. The archive calls it a library service. The AI connection. As AI models summarize books and generate content based on copyrighted material, the tension between fair use and theft has reached a breaking point. The archive is caught in the crossfire. If the courts decide that digital hosting is illegal to protect the profits of AI-threatened industries, the Internet Archive could be forced to shut down entirely. We are risking the destruction of the world's largest library to settle a dispute over corporate data rights. This is perhaps the most dangerous part: the loss of the original receipt. The Internet Archive provides provenance. It's where you go to prove that a politician changed their stance or that a news outlet edited a story to hide a mistake. It is an objective record. Generative AI, by its nature, is probabilistic, not factual. It predicts the next most likely word. If we lose the archive and rely on AI to tell us what happened in 2010, the AI might give us a hallucination, a version of history that sounds perfect but never happened. Without a primary source like the Wayback Machine to fact-check the machines, history becomes whatever the algorithm decides it should be. We risk entering a post-truth era where the past is as editable as a Word document. But it's not all doom and gloom. There is a version of this story where AI is the hero. The Internet Archive is massive, so big that it's often hard to navigate. AI could be the ultimate interface. Imagine an AI that doesn't just scrape the archive, but helps organize it. It could repair corrupted files from the 90s, translate ancient digital documents into modern languages, cross-reference billions of pages to find lost historical connections. If AI companies and the archive collaborate, we could turn a graveyard of data into a living library. We are at a crossroads. We can either use AI to amplify our history, or we can let the pursuit of AI destroy the very records it was built on. The Internet Archive isn't just a website, it's our collective memory. And a civilization without a memory is a civilization that can't learn. So, is AI killing the archive? Right now, it's certainly suffocating it. But if we demand better ethics from AI companies and support the institutions that protect our data, we might just save our history for the next 1,000 years. What's your take? Should AI companies pay a memory tax to support the archive? Let's talk about it in the comments.